Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Malwarebytes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your cybersecurity with Malwarebytes, start by downloading the application from the official website. Locate the downloaded setup file and double-click to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Malwarebytes on your device. Once installation is complete, open the Malwarebytes application. You may be prompted to create an account for enhanced features. Follow the instructions to set up your account if desired. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Click on the Scan button to initiate a scan of your system. Choose between a threat scan, custom scan, or hyperscan based on your needs. For a thorough examination, select the threat scan option. The scan will take a few minutes to complete, depending on your system. Once the scan is finished, review the results displayed on your screen. If any threats are found, you will have options to quarantine or remove them. Select the recommended action for each identified threat. After taking action on the threats, consider running a second scan to ensure your system is clean. Next, enable real-time protection if it's not already activated. This feature helps detect and block threats as they occur. To enhance your scanning schedule, access the Settings menu. Here, you can set up automated scans according to your preference. Make sure to update Malwarebytes regularly for the latest protection. To check for updates, go to the settings and click on Check for Updates. For optimal security, also explore the web protection features in the settings. Make sure they are enabled to block malicious websites and ads. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with additional tools within Malwarebytes, like the privacy and performance sections. Regularly review the dashboard to stay informed about potential threats and system security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.